coming in, and it is regarding the stray dog case that is in the Supreme Court now. It was being reviewed. The Supreme Court special bench, which is hearing the case now, will be pronouncing its verdict tomorrow on the plea by dog lovers for a stay on the order that a smaller Supreme Court bench had given. It essentially had said that all dogs in the national capital need to be rounded up and sent to shelters. Challenging this were dog lovers. They had asked for a bigger bench to hear the case. The Supreme Court agreed. They've heard the case, they reserved their order, and tomorrow is when they are likely to pronounce their verdict. Let me go straight across to Harish, who is joining us on the broadcast. Harish, I can't ask you what the Supreme Court intends to do tomorrow, but anything you can share with us at this point of time, at what point in the day will this verdict be announced?
Yes, that's right. In fact, a D-Day for dog lovers and animal rights activists. Remember, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the government, Delhi government, had said that it's a conflict between a vocal minority versus a silent majority who are suffering dog bites. So tomorrow, Supreme Court specially constituted three-judge bench will pronounce the order whether to stay the earlier order pronounced by a two-judge bench led by Justice Pardiwala, who had ordered that all the stray dogs be picked up from all the localities in Delhi, NCR, and shifted to dog shelters and be vaccinated and sterilized, and ensure that no individual or organization comes in the way of this exercise, and if they do, force can be used, and penal and legal action will be taken against them. There were very stern orders, but the dog lovers came to Supreme Court and said that there are hardly any infrastructure, there are hardly any dog shelters ready, available, and therefore, at least for the time being, this order was passed without hearing us. It was an ex parte order in violation of principle of natural justice, and therefore, this order should be immediately stayed. So on this aspect, tomorrow, three-judge special bench led by Justice Vikram Nath will be pronouncing the judgment, and this pronouncement will be happening at 10:30 a.m.
All right. So early tomorrow morning is when we are expecting the verdict from the Supreme Court on the stray dog issue. It's a story we'll keep an eye on. Thank you very much, Harish, for joining us on the broadcast. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, it's a wrap from me. Thanks for watching. Pranesh is up next.